In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your Samsung TV shows HDMI connected but no picture. First, check that the external device is powered on and set to the correct display output. Next, unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the device. Then, plug it back in securely. After that, use the remote to select the correct HDMI input source manually. If there's still no picture, restart both your TV and the connected device to refresh the connection. You can also try a different HDMI port or a different HDMI cable to rule out hardware problems. And that's how you fix the Samsung TV HDMI connected but no picture issue. Quick and easy. So that's it.